In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automatic zoom cuts in InVideo. If you've ever watched a dynamic tutorial or a fast-paced talking head video and noticed those subtle zoom-ins that keep the viewer engaged, that's what we're setting up today. Zoom cuts are quick, intentional punch-ins that add energy and help emphasize key moments without having to manually keyframe every shot. The best part is, InVideo can do this for you with a simple command. First, open your browser and go to InVideo. You can use the web app or desktop app, whatever you're already working in. Once you're there, head straight to your project. This means opening the specific video you want to edit, the one that's ready for a polish with those zooms. Now give the project a moment to load. You'll know it's ready when you can see your timeline, the preview window, and all your media in place. If your project is heavy with high-resolution clips, B-roll, or layers of text and graphics, that loading step may take a little longer. Just let it fully initialize to avoid hiccups later. Once everything is loaded, look for the command or prompt bar. In many layouts, it's near the top or along the side, labeled as an I. Assistant or command box. Click into it and type exactly this phrase, do zoom cuts. Keep it simple and direct. This is the trigger that tells InVideo to analyze your footage and add smart zooms where they'll make the most impact. These zoom cuts typically highlight pauses, transitions, and changes in tone, helping your video feel more alive. After you've typed the command, hit generate. Then wait for it. You'll see the system process your request. Depending on the length of your video and the complexity of your timeline, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Avoid clicking around too much while it's working so you don't interrupt the process. When it's done, you'll see the results applied right on your timeline. Press play in the preview and watch for those smooth punch-ins during key moments. If you notice a section that feels too subtle or too strong, you can fine-tune it later. But the heavy lifting has already been handled automatically. And that's it. You went to InVideo, opened your project, let it load, typed do zoom cuts, generated the effect, waited for the processing, and you're done. Simple, fast, and super effective for keeping your audience engaged from start to finish.